Hi everybody, Tiki Time Gal, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to teach you the recipe to make your own homemade Mod Podge mat. You're going to need a container of some kind. You put a label on it so you know what it is. I'm using this old Mod Podge jar that I cleaned out, took the label off of. I'm going to use it. You're going to need some Elmer's glue or some PVA glue. It's basically the same thing. You're going to need some water. And that's it. It's real simple. The recipe is 2 parts Elmer's glue or PVA glue to 1 part water. So you're going to take your glue. Let's get you down here on the desktop first. You're going to put your glue in your jar. So I'm using 2 bottles of glue, and they're 4 ounces a piece, so that's 8 ounces of glue, and we're going to use 4 ounces of water. It's 2 parts glue, 1 part water. I have 4 ounces of water right here. I'm going to pour a little bit of water in here. Shake it up to get the rest of the glue out of it. Pour that in. Shake that up real good. And in the remainder of the 4 ounces of water. Put that on. And shake it real good. Now, if you want it to be Mod Podge gloss, you can add, I think it's 2 or 3 teaspoons, I think 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of polyacrylic by Minwax, I believe it is. You can get it at hardware stores, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at like Home Depot, Lowe's, and I think it's like $8 to $10 for a little can of it. It's kind of expensive, but it goes a long way, and it'll turn it into Mod Podge gloss. I'll throw up the picture of the Minwax polyacrylic here, and you can see what it looks like. and you add like 2, 3, 4 teaspoons per every 2 bottles of glue that you put in. Okay. There we go. There's the Mod Podge. Get a piece of paper here and get a paintbrush. Take something random here. Just take something totally random. Works great. And it saved you a bundle, because I think this Mod Podge for this jar of Mod Podge is like, what is it, $12, something like that, at craft stores. And here we made it for, what is it, like 50 cents for a jar of the glue, and maybe it's like $1 maybe for the glue. I got mine off Amazon. I got 12 jars of Elmer's glue for $6, and total about 50 cents a jar. And then the water's free, and that's it. It was like $2 for this. So $1 or $2 for this, as opposed to like $12. So there you go. Very cost effective. Save yourself a buttload of money. Make your own Mod Podge at home. So make your own Mod Podge at home, people. Save yourself a buttload of money. Nowadays, you could use that money for something else. Pay your bills. Get yourself a latte. Buy your kid a new toy or something. Buy your furry friend some treats. Something else besides Mod Podge. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. We'll catch you on the flip side. Hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. Leave me ideas that can help boost my channel ratings, or ideas for future content on the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos out or when I go live. Share my videos on social media outlets such as Facebook or Instagram, so that way my videos can reach more people and I can grow my audience. Click the like button below. That really helps my channel to help reach more people on YouTube. Supporting me is really great, and it helps me grow my channel. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it's really important to me that I get support from fellow YouTubers. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate that you take time out of your busy day to view my videos and to spend time with me on a daily basis. I try to put videos out on a daily basis so you have something to watch and something to entertain yourselves with. I try really hard to make my channel a positive place for people to come and have fun and be entertained. So I try really hard to make things enjoyable for people. So if you support me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side.